minus 2.4. Question number 3. Simplify the following. And for this again we are going to apply the laws of the exponent here. Number 1. Base are same in the numerator and denominator with different exponents, so power will be subtracted according to the second law of exponent. So as base is 7, so we subtract the exponent 6 minus 4, get 2. So 7 square means 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Multiply 7 and 2 times, then we get 49. Comes to second part. As the base are in the numerator 2 raised to power 4 with 5 raised to power cube, and the denominator we have 10 square. So convert 10 into prime factors, where prime factors of 10 is 2 and 10, 2 and 5. So 2 raised to power 4, 5 raised to power cube divided by prime factor of 10 is 2 multiply 5. 2 5s are 10 and whole raised to power 2. So apply in the denominator the law where we use fourth law. When the bases are changed with same exponent, apply fourth law here. 2 raised to power 4, 5 cube divided by 2 square into 5 square. So look, in the numerator and denominator bases are same, so power will be subtracted. So we taking 2 as a base, common base or same base, sorry. So subtract the exponent 4 minus 2. The second base is 5, so 5. Subtract the exponent 3 minus 2. Okay, 2 raised to power get 2. 4 minus 2 get 2, and 5 raised to power 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, 2 square means 4, 2 2s are 4, and 4 multiply 5, then we get 20. So 20 is the answer. Comes to the next part. Okay, third part is a plus b whole square and c plus d whole cube divided by a plus b and c plus d whole square on whole raised to power 3. So look, inside of the curly bracket bases are same. First base is a plus b and the second base is c plus d. As the bases are same in the numerator and denominator, again power will be subtracted. So apply the second law. So we have a plus b whole raised to power 2. Look, the exponent in the denominator of x plus a plus b is 1. So subtract 2 minus 1. न्यूमरेटर में 2 है और डिनोमिनेटर 1 माइनस हो जाएगा. सेकेंड बेस इज c प्लस डी होल रेज टू पावर 3 माइनस 2. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, अप्लाई कर दें लॉ तो 3 माइनस 2 एंड होल रेज टू पावर 3. So a plus b, 2 minus 1 get 1, a plus b, and c plus d, 3 minus 2 means minus कर दें, so c plus d is 1 and whole raised to power 3. Okay, 3 power whole power जो positive 3. Okay, at the end apply this fourth law. According to fourth law, when the bases are different inside of the bracket with the same exponent, so apply the exponent in both the bases. अब उसको multiply कर देंगे bases के साथ exponent को, तो यहाँ आप देखिए a प्लस बी और c प्लस डी एंड होल रेस्ट पावर 3 है, तो दोनों के साथ ये 3 आ जाएगा एज ए एक्सपोनेंट. सो a प्लस बी होल क्यूब and c plus d whole cube. That is the our required answer. Comes to fourth part. Okay. Part number 4. Look. Now inside of the bracket there is a radical form. Good. So convert the radical form into exponential form first. So we get a raised to power 1 by 3 and whole raised to power 1 by 2. As inside of the bracket there is a cube root, so convert the radical form into the exponential form, where exponential form of a is 1 by 3 and whole raised to power 1 by 2. So according to the third law, when the base inside of the bracket with the exponent and whole raised to power n, then powers will be multiplied. So look, this power is multiplied with this, so then we get a raised to power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. जब भी आपके पास ब्रैकेट के अंदर बेस के साथ पावर हो एंड होल रेस्ट पावर हो, वो पावर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. तो मल्टीप्लाई कर दे न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर के साथ, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर के साथ. So 1 1 is 1 and 3 2 is 6. So this is our required answer. 1 by 6. Comes to next. Fifth part, as both are in radical form, so first convert it in exponential form. So exponential form of x 5 and whole raised to power 1 by 5, as it is the fifth root. So exponential form is 1 by x5 into 1 by 5, and there is a fourth root, so x4 and whole raised to power 1 by 4. रेडिकल फॉर्म हटा के उसको एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कर दिया. पावर के साथ देखिए कैंसिल हो जाएगी, 5 5 कैंसिल, 4 4 कैंसिल, देन वी गेट x और यहाँ भी x आ जाएगा. एज बेसिस आर सेम, सो पावर विल बी एडेड. तो इसके एक्सपोनेंट है 1, ये भी एक्सपोनेंट 1 है, सो x 1 plus 1, then we get x square. So this is our final answer. So next video तक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम करेंगे. सो कीप वॉचिंग माय वीडियोस. थैंक यू.